If you're getting an Epic Games login error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try to get back into your account fast. These steps are simple, beginner-friendly, and they usually solve the most common sign-in problems in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, let's check whether the problem is actually on Epic Games' side. Open your browser and go to EpicGames/help. On the top right corner of the page, look for Operation Status. This will tell you if Epic Games servers are having an outage or login issue. If the servers are down, there's nothing wrong with your device, so the best thing to do is wait and try again later. If the servers are working normally, the next step is to restart the Epic Games Launcher completely. Close the launcher first, then open Task Manager on your PC. Find Epic Games Launcher or any Epic-related process and end the task to make sure it is fully closed. This is important because sometimes the app stays running in the background and causes login errors. Once everything is closed, reopen the launcher and try signing in again. If you're still stuck, check your network connection. Start by turning off any VPN you may be using. VPNs can sometimes block Epic Games login or trigger security checks. After that, try connecting through a different network if possible, or simply restart your router to refresh your connection. A clean network connection can often fix authentication problems right away. Another important fix is allowing Epic Games through your firewall. Open Windows Firewall settings and look for the option to allow an app through the firewall. Make sure EpicGamesLauncher.exe is allowed on your network. If the launcher is blocked, it may not be able to reach Epic Games servers properly, which can cause sign-in errors and failed login attempts. After allowing it, go back and try logging in again. So to recap, first check the Epic Games server status, then fully restart the launcher through Task Manager, then disable your VPN or refresh your network, and finally allow EpicGamesLauncher.exe through your firewall. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the Epic Games login error. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.